Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and its effectiveness in helping you achieve your weight loss goals. In this article, we aim to provide you with detailed insights and information about this popular weight loss supplement. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is worth considering and how it compares to other options in the market. As an affiliate for the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, I want to be transparent and disclose that the article you are about to read contains affiliate links. Please note that I may or may not receive a commission for the sale of this product. Understanding Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has gained significant attention due to its claim of promoting weight loss by targeting stubborn belly fat. This dietary supplement is inspired by the traditional Okinawan diet, known for its health benefits and longevity. The tonic is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, including herbs and plant extracts, which are believed to support healthy digestion and metabolism. The science behind Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. One of the key ingredients in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is polyphenol-rich hibiscus, which has been linked to reducing fat absorption and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. Moreover, the tonic contains various antioxidants and digestive enzymes that can potentially improve gut health and enhance nutrient absorption. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary. While Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic may be beneficial for some, it may not yield the same results for everyone. Factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and overall health can influence the effectiveness of any weight loss supplement. Customer testimonials, real experiences. Numerous individuals have shared their success stories after using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Many customers have reported experiencing increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a reduction in belly fat. These testimonials highlight the potential benefits of the product and its ability to support overall well-being. How to incorporate Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic into your routine. To maximize the potential benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to weight loss. Along with taking the supplement, consider incorporating healthy eating habits and regular physical activity into your daily routine. This comprehensive approach can help you achieve sustainable weight loss results. Comparing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to other weight loss solutions. When it comes to weight loss, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for your individual needs.